everybody, welcome to my channel, and I'm bringing you guys my Target haul. I think I did pretty well at Target. I didn't get much, but I think I did pretty well, so I'm here to show you guys the deals you guys can get at Target. So the first moneymaker deal that you guys want to get is this Whole Earth. Now you can do this deal at Walmart. My Walmart does not sell this, but it ends up being a good deal at Walmart too. But at Target, these are $3.19. There is a deal on Cartwheel, so you guys want to add that to your account on the Target app. There's also a $2 off coupon that does expire soon, I think, so you guys want to use that coupon. You guys would just pay 55 cents for this, which is awesome. But then you guys can submit a $1 rebate from Ibotta, making this just a 45-cent moneymaker. There is a limit of 3, so I took advantage of it, and I got 3 of them. So 45-cent moneymaker for each one. You can't go wrong with that. I think if I go to near Target again later this week and it resets, I think I might do this deal again because I know my family likes using this stuff, so why not? I ended up getting the Clorox wipes because why not? These were $2.69. There is a 15% off deal on Cartwheel. There's also a 50-cent off coupon that you guys can use. You guys would just pay $1.79 for this, but then you guys can submit a 50-cent rebate. I don't know why I feel like I'm having a conversation with the products. It's like, hey, how's it going? Yeah. You guys want to submit a 50-cent rebate on Ibotta, making this just $1.29. I wouldn't say that is a stock-up price, but I have lately been obsessed with wipes, especially the Lysol wipes or the Clorox wipes. I don't care. I'm really starting to get obsessed with this stuff because why not? And then I like how these have different smells to it. So we got that. I got this nice big Oreo bar. This was on sale for $1.49. My store did not have it marked. They just had it for $1.99, but the sale price is $1.49. You guys would pay $1.49 for this. Now, everybody's Ibotta is different. Mine, I got a 75-cent rebate for this on Ibotta. You guys might have a little bit more. But if you have the 75-cent rebate, you guys will end up getting this just for 74 cents, which is a pretty decent deal. Now, I did a lot of rebates between Walmart and Target because they have the President's app thing where if you get, for me, I had to get 15 rebates to get a $5 bonus. So between Walmart and Target, I hit that. So couldn't go wrong with that. Next Ibotta deal is the Advil liquid gels. Now you guys can do this deal at Walmart or Target. It is up to you. These are $3.99. There is a $1 off coupon that you guys can print off the Advil website itself. You guys would end up paying $2.99 for this, but then you can submit a $2 rebate on Ibotta, making this just 99 cents, which I think is a great deal for name brand products. And plus this comes in a little jar that it's easy to keep in my purse, so in case I have a headache or something, I got that. I have been getting this deal, I don't know how many times. I got the Suja Kombucha, and then I got the Suja organic drink. Now, when you buy both of these, the Ibotta app thinks it's a double whammy, so just letting you guys know on that. So this is regular price is $2.99. There is a 40% off deal from Cartwheel, so you guys would end up paying $1.79 for this, but then you guys can submit a 75-cent rebate on Ibotta. But since I bought 2 of them, when I submitted my receipt, it automatically thought I bought 2 of these. So I ended up getting this bottle for just 29 cents. So we got that. And then I bought the Suja Juice or organic water or whatever this is. This was $3.49. There is a 20% off deal on Cartwheel for this. I'm gonna yawn. Oh, I hate this. So you guys would end up paying $2.79 for this. But then there is a 95-cent rebate on Ibotta, and since I bought the 2 items, it automatically gave me an extra 95% thinking I bought 2 of them. So I got this little bottle for just 89 cents. So can't go wrong with that. I think the deal only works if you guys buy both of these together. So, and there's other flavors. These are just the flavors that I kind of like, or actually my husband kind of likes. So we got that. So this one's a plastic bottle and this is a glass bottle. And then I ended up getting Chobani yogurt wasted. My in-laws love yogurt. Every time they come to the house, they always know that I have treats for them. So I got all 4 flavors of the Chobani yogurt. Now, my Walmart does not sell this kind because I like it how you can get 2 for 1. So that's the reason why I like getting these. So these were on sale for $1.41, and we had those coupons that we got I think from like 2 weeks ago for a free product, so you guys definitely want to use that. So I got all 4 of these absolutely free. Can't go wrong with that. When I go back to Walmart or Target again, I have more coupons. I'm definitely gonna be taking full advantage of the free Chobani yogurts for my in-laws, and they don't expire for like a month or a month and a half, so we're golden on that. So that was my haul. My total came to $12.49 for everything after coupons. I got $9 back and $9.90 back with Ibotta. I also had a 25-cent any rebate, so that was included, the $9.90. I got 12 items, so if you guys add everything up together, came out to $2.59 for 12 items. I think that's a great deal. Technically, everything came out to be 21 cents a piece. So, yeah, I got Clorox for 21 cents a piece. I'm pretty excited about that. So it wasn't a big Target haul, but I was pretty excited with what I got. I got some freebies, and you know, there are some good deals and there's not some great deals. This week's a pretty okay week, so it just depends on what you guys want, but definitely do this deal so you guys can make this a moneymaker for that. And I think this, actually I don't know, this one might end soon on Ibotta. I can't remember what one does, so definitely check that out. If you guys haven't already, give my channel a thumbs up, give my video a thumbs up, let me know that you guys enjoy watching these videos. I'm so happy to show you guys my deals. It's an excuse to leave the house and go do something. Otherwise, I will just sit in my lounge pants and just sit around my house and not do anything, because that's just the way I've been rolling lately. But this is an excuse for me to get out the house and do stuff. So that means you guys need to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit my content, or don't forget to submit your guys' letters, postcards, whatever you guys want for my contest. It does end, today is the 19th, it does end the 28th. I do need to have your card hopefully before the 28th. I might wait a couple days, but you guys need to have it to me postmarked before the 28th. And whoever, if you guys aren't interested in this one, what I ended up deciding is whoever enters this contest, I'm going to keep your guys' names. I'm going to keep all your stuff, so when I do future contests or a surprise contest, I'm going to use it for the people who mailed me stuff. So just be prepared for that. If you guys still want to send something, you can. I'm just going to be using the people's letters who sent it to me and for future contests, just because I like to surprise people and I like it who, you know, made an effort. I mean, you guys can't, if you don't want to, you don't have to. I'm not saying you have to, but, you know, it's just nice to see, you know, who my fans are. I guess you're not really my fans. You guys are kind of my friends. I feel like I know you guys more than I know my real friends, because I, like, communicate to you guys by responding to your comments, reading your comments. I talk to you guys more than I talk to everybody in my life. That's sad, but it's also cool. So if you guys want to be my friend, thank you for watching. You guys are my friends, and I will see you guys all later. Bye-bye.